Hi, it's Bill Wills with Rich Klaben. We're in a vehicle here at Klaben. We see the term certified on the website a lot. A lot of the vehicles you put out for sale on the used car site are vehicles that you sold originally new and have serviced over the years.
Absolutely. So certified, and the only certified that matters is when it's a manufacturer. So is it Ford? Is it Jeep? Is it Ram? Is it one of the manufacturers? That's who can certify a car. Only the manufacturer, because it involves a warranty. So only they can put a warranty on the vehicle. So buying a used vehicle is a great alternative. It can be a great value. The issue is that how do you ensure you're getting the great value? First and foremost, if you're buying a used vehicle and it's within 5-6 years of age, make sure it's factory certified. That's where you're going to get your best protection. It also requires the dealer to do a lot more to that car than they're doing to the average used car.
Good information for you to keep in mind as you're shopping, and thank you for shopping Klaben.